Hi, I'm Sarah. Today I'll be talking to you about oily lashes. If you have not heard of oily lashes before, tune in and hear me out. So oily lashes, what is it exactly? Well, when you leave streaks on your sunglasses, or if you have issues with your eyeliner smudging, despite the fact that it's supposed to be long lasting, then you may have oily lashes. So how do we solve this issue of oily lashes anyways? Well, with Japanese silk powder that is in our Silk Goddess Mascara. Now, if you don't have oily lashes, you most likely will not need this mascara because I don't want to sell you something that is not going to do anything for you. So again, I go very close to my lash line